landscaped, refreshing home in a delightfully quiet 55-plus community. Interior is freshly painted. With ceramic tile in the living area, this split-bedroom floor plan has a new washer and dryer in the laundry room utility room off the kitchen. There is also attic access with additional storage in there. Kitchen has breakfast bar, updated dimensional Formica countertops, new dishwasher, new stove, new microwave hood, deep double sink, and pretty backsplash. Master bedroom has new carpeting, great closet storage, updated fixtures in bath, and a shower. The guest bath has updated fixtures and a tub shower unit. The open floor plan shares the kitchen, dining room and living room. New ceiling lights and fans. The front porch has been enclosed into a Florida room, providing a great sitting area or office spot. Furniture